Hello everyone, this is Penke from PenkeTrading.com, and today we are going to look at NVIDIA. We are going to look at the technical analysis and also the fundamental analysis that I did on PenkeTrading.com. First of all, I would like to go a month back where I did an analysis of the price of NVIDIA as well. So it was sitting up here and I was expecting it to bounce at the support area over here. What it did perfectly. And if we are right as traders, it feels good, and if you can make money on it, it even feels better, of course. But here we are again, we are going back down. So let's draw some support and resistance areas and lines. First I clearly see a resistance line here. Of course we can enter the support area again. Because there is still supply here, we can bounce over here again and go back up. So that's the first possibility I see. That's still white. Let's go to black. So one possibility that I see is that we are maybe, we never know, we're going to see this pattern. That's one possibility. Of course, we can also go don't hold support. So for example, if the investigation turns out to be really bad, well, we probably go down even further. And let's zoom out and find the support here. Yeah, it's several around here, I see. So that's the $50 level. So what else can we see? We see also a small demand line here with a major minor support. And now is what also is interesting, I always like to draw a price range. And you can do that from the top, that is now resistance, to the support level. What I like to do is then copy paste and put it on the now support, but maybe later resistance. And as we can see, it perfectly aligns with the line to the support of $50. So as I always say, you should be comfortable with both scenarios. This is my technical outlook. Let's go to PenkeTrading.com to the NVIDIA page. So I made a quick analysis, and what we can see here, I think it's overpriced. The company is growing very fast and it's also in excellent shape financially. So let's break it down into a few simple questions Warren Buffett asks. He is always asking himself, how much money do you get? Well, you get $2 you get it in 1 year. And how often do you get paid? 100%. That's basically the dividend outlook, what you get. You also, what is now really your share worth? It's the book value of the company. Well, the book value is at this moment $2 almost, and it's expecting to go up to $3 in 1 year, based on the income probably. So what do you gain per year? Well, that's the book value gain and the dividend gain is, for example, a 0.9% investment. The problem with book value, it's in the company, so you don't get it. But the higher the book value of your share, or the higher the book value of a company, the more trust people have in the company, and that can result in a higher stock price as an average. But you never know, because the stock price is not the price of a company. It's just the gamble price, the speculation price of all people that are invested in NVIDIA. Okay, now let's go to the detailed analysis. Let's go first to the valuation. So the price per share, the end of day from yesterday, was $108. So the book value is almost $2, like we just saw. And now comes the interesting part. We are going to look at the intrinsic value. How much is the stock rising? As we can see here, it's rising fast. So we can see the total company is rising fast. Their profits are going up fast. And the most important, what I all think, for the intrinsic value, you have to look at the free cash flow. What do they get from their company's main activities? How much money comes from it? Well, we can see it here. USD free cash flow and USD free cash flow per share. Well, it's going up fast, and I've made a few moving averages, I call them, from the last year to even 10 years in the past. And so I make a range calculation from, okay, how much money do I get, our intrinsic value get in 10 years? And that I add up on the book value, and then I get a total estimation of the price. But if they are going to sell less in the future, it goes down. And if they even increase their sales, well, then it can go up, of course. So let's get back to the summary of the valuation. I'm valuating this stock between $12 and $40 on average. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And also, when we know this, and you can check the calculations here, I also use a 6% discount rate, for example. But if we go back to the charts, what the most important thing, because there is where the money is being made, because they don't give a lot of dividend. So let's go here to the possible $50. Well, that lines up with what they are really worth. So do you agree with me? Let me know in the comments. And also, do you like these videos? Let me know if you want an analysis of your stock that you are watching today. Thank you, hit the like and subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye bye.